Hi everyone, welcome back to our Cloud Computing for Complete Beginners series. One of the most common questions beginners ask is, should I learn AWS or Azure? The good news is that there isn't a wrong answer because both platforms are in high demand and offer excellent career opportunities. Let's break it down in simple terms. Think of AWS and Azure like two major smartphone brands. They both allow you to make calls, send messages, and use apps. They have similar features, but each has its own strengths and loyal customers. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is the world's largest cloud provider. It offers hundreds of services and is widely used by startups, technology companies, and organizations looking for flexibility and innovation. Azure, or Microsoft Azure, is Microsoft's cloud platform. It's extremely popular among large enterprises and government organizations, especially companies that already use Microsoft products like Windows Server, Active Directory, Office 365, and Microsoft Teams. So, which one should you learn? If you're completely new to cloud computing and want access to a huge ecosystem of learning resources, certifications, and hands-on labs, AWS is an excellent place to start. If you currently work in an organization that heavily uses Microsoft technologies or you're interested in enterprise and government environments, Azure can be a great choice. Here's something important to remember. The core cloud concepts are the same. Both platforms have identity and access management, virtual machines, storage services, databases, networking security controls. Once you understand the fundamentals on one platform, learning the other becomes much easier. Personally, I started my cloud journey with AWS because of its extensive learning resources and certification paths. But the concepts you learn can easily transfer to Azure as well. In my ebook, Cloud Computing for Complete Beginners, The Beginner's Guide, I wish I had before starting my AWS Solutions Architect journey. I compare AWS and Azure in simple, everyday language and explain the cloud concepts that every beginner should know. I'll see you in Chapter 4, where we'll talk about regions and availability zones and why they are so important in cloud computing.